Is Etsy secretly giving us some gift tag ideas? Or are they telling us little things about our listing that we should be looking into? I was just having a little search on Etsy and I spotted this and I had a think. Bet you now that I've come to record, it won't show what I was hoping it would show. But let's dive right in just now. So we'll start at my shop. This is an incognito browser, as you can see from the little spy here. And well, I'll just dig into it. We'll start with this little guy. We'll start with my shop and then we'll go and pick on other people as time goes on. Apparently I'm in Canada just now. You can sort of change your location, but okay, I'm in Canada. Um I'm not, by the way. So I was thinking a few little things. Like, firstly, what does Etsy know what your item is? That's a really cool thing to know. And then it popped into my mind. I was like, oh, you've got all these details down below your listing. So let's see. So first of all, photos from reviews. It's cute to get photos from customers. I know some people don't like it. I really love it. And then you've got more from this shop. So I'm just thinking, I was thinking about niches today, to be honest. If you've got a good defined niche, because Etsy does tell us that they look at how other listings in your shop have done. So I was wondering if they understand your niche on that. So, but also if a buyer scrolls down and goes more from this shop and your shop's like a jumble sale, they're less likely. Whereas if they scroll down and go more from this shop, oh, I see a theme here. If I liked this one dog, I might like other dog related things. And I'm liking this. You get to see from the section too. But bear with us. First of all, does Etsy know what your item is? I've been nosying at some people's shops, and when it goes, you may also like. Etsy is just showing a whole load of random things here. So I think my thought here is you want to check and make sure that Etsy is actually understanding the theme of your dog. And I think they really have. Mine was a wire fox terrier sculpture that was needle felted. And yeah, they're bringing up wire fox terrier, some needle felted stuff. So it really understands what my listing is. Now, the reason I'm thinking of this is we know that search results are personalized. This means that if someone searched for a lot of similar type of things, the Etsy search starts to understand what that person likes and starts to recommend it. And if you have, I'm going to go into more details of this at a later date. This is just me thinking out loud just now. But if Etsy doesn't really know what your items are, then it can't piece you with somebody else. It can't piece you when someone searches for something. It can't say, oh, Susan liked these items, so they'll also like your item, if it really doesn't have a clue what your item is. So it's kind of good that, in my opinion, that Etsy is understanding not just that it's a breed of dog, that it can be a figurine, to show it to the right people. So you've got more chance, not just with your keywords and everything, but just with Etsy's understanding of who this person it should show it to. This is just my thinking out loud. Let me know if you think I'm speaking rubbish, but this is just my thought. But also, when I've been scrolling down now, Etsy sometimes shows tags, sometimes doesn't show tags. It can be a bit all over the place. But I've noticed a thing. So you can only have 13 tags, and these two, like this is, I have all my tags for this thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So there's less than all my tags in the top row, but there's more than all my tags combined. So the related searches isn't just my tags. My tags are terrible. I haven't worked on this listing in forever. But what I've noticed when I looked in eRank's listing audit, I noticed that all the explore related searches here are from my tags, but they're all tags that people search for. They're all tags that have a search volume. So that's interesting to start with. It's not necessarily that it's not saying they're good tags, but they're all things that people search for. They seem to be all populated with decent gifts and stuff. So cool to know. It's just going, hey, yeah, these are tags that we understand. They make sense. They're probably explaining to Etsy what my item's about. And yeah, they're kind of good tags. I noticed these ones don't have search volume, or some of them aren't my tags. So I was spotting some gifts tags have been added into here. So this might be Etsy suggesting to us, just my theory, Etsy hasn't said anything, let me know what you think. But this might just be Etsy saying to us, hey, here's a couple of the gift tags that you could perhaps add, and this might help you get spotted in the gift section. So, in the relevant gift section, I should say, right, let's go and randomly pick on strangers. Let's go Easter gifts. That's seasonal. And let's have a look at something that might be confusing for Etsy. Okay, right, glasses. This is a weird one. I hope that wasn't an ad I clicked on. I should have checked that better. I hope that wasn't an ad. That wasn't an ad. We're okay. Sorry if I ever click on any of your ads when I'm doing something like this. So this is personalized glasses, sunglasses, but it was in an Easter thing, so they're going, oh, it's cute, it's Easter themed because of the colours, I guess, and stuff. But it's been an Etsy pick. So Etsy thought, I guess, flowers, kids gift, personalised sunglasses. Okay, so let's scroll down and see if Etsy knows what this person's all about. First of all, photos from reviews and from this shop. The shop has a very good niche, I would say. They definitely know what they are doing. You may also like, do we think Etsy understands what these glasses are? Very much. I'm not going to comment on how similar these all are. Well, they are personalized, so people are getting blanks and personalizing them. Yeah, it's allowed by Etsy. Oh, that's as far as I'll go. And yeah, I forgot to mention, yeah, collections are cool. If you see this below your listing, it means people have put your item into a collection. This is another way you could see people, it's like a sort of Pinterest board or stuff. People are going, this is the kind of look of things that I like. So you can get an idea of sort of color schemes and types of things. But let's have a look. I mean, that is definitely not all their tags. I didn't know this was going to have so many. This is interesting. So obviously this is some of their tags that have a decent, an amount of search volume. But look at all of this. So it's suggesting potential gift tags to add. So what I would probably do with this is definitely, like, you can't change your entire, well, don't change your best performing listings anyway, but hopefully it's picking what are potentially relevant terms. Now, gifts for mum for children's sunglasses is not a relevant thing, but you pick out any that are relevant. I would take them somewhere like eRank and look, what's the competition, what's the search volume, but it might give you an idea for some gift things. Flower Girl Proposer. That must be one of their tags spelt wrong. um, but yeah, so there's an idea. Let's see if we can find anything more. Let's have some fun. Outdoor finds on sale. Why not? Oh, here we go. I've seen this before, but this is so cute. From the Etsy Pics, a wobbly leg table. Now, to me, okay, I think minimalist is going out of trend, but wavy's coming into trend. But that is fun. So it is a plant stand, but it's wavy. It's colourful. Let's see if Etsy understands it. First of all, let's see what the shop's like. The shop has a different niche. I think hopefully Etsy would understand this is a shop about planters, tables, outside, funky, bright. Totally understand that. You may also like, are people finding similar things? Oh, yes, they are. Again, I don't know how handmade anything is. I'm not commenting on that. We're just having a quick look through here. But do Etsy understand what it is? I would say they very much understand the style and the niche. They've kind of nailed that pretty well. So that to me would say people who are into that kind of thing, if they're searching, say if they'd searched for tons of things looking a bit like this in a shelf category, and then they started searching for tables, Etsy might go, here you go, you might like this kind of thing. So that shop has a chance of being seen because Etsy really, really understands what their items are about. I hope this is making sense. Oh, the collections are so much fun. Um, so looking at it again, it looks like there's only like 3 tags that have a decent search volume. Not a big deal, because remember you can Etsy can pick and match things over different tags. So it could be aesthetic minimalist plant stand. You know, if someone searched for that, this item might show up for it. But let's look again. Etsy is offering up a load of gifts for tags, housewarming gifts. See, a table's not a bad idea for that. So anyway, look, I won't waste too much of your time there. This was just an idea I had. I was thinking about niches and categories and everything, but Etsy seemed to be like giving us ideas for the gifts for tag. So if anyone was worried about this whole gifts for thing and want some ideas for the type of gifts for tags, have a look at them. Don't go for necessarily the huge gifts for mum, gifts for her, but go for just something a little more exact to your niche. And in listings, don't change listings that are performing well as well. But let me know how it goes. Let me know what you think. Yeah, this was just a random aside I was thinking of. I will be back to, well, we'll have an Etsy news on Saturday, but then I'll be back to talking about finances. We're going to dig into how much shops really make in the next video. So you're going to want to subscribe if you see that. And if you haven't already seen, I have made a video on how much Etsy fees are, because I bet you many people don't know exactly what the fees are. Anyway, thank you so much. See you next time.